ideas. I created this video in under 15 minutes. Also, just last month alone, the channel gained 340 million views and over 1.6 million subscribers. Just look at these stats, it's incredible. And it is not even an old channel. So that means that there is a lot of potential and a lot of money to be earned from this niche. And the best part is that you don't need to show your face or use real-life footage. All tools used in this video have a free plan, and they are powered by AI. Even if you don't have an idea how to start a YouTube channel, don't worry, I'll walk you through every step from setting up your YouTube channel, generating video ideas, creating stunning visuals, animating your created images, and editing your videos, even if you have zero editing skills. If you want more content that helps you grow your audience and earn money, hit that subscribe button. I reply to every comment and every question. All the prompts that have been used in this video will be in the Google Doc attached in the description. Start by visiting YouTube and clicking on your profile picture. Choose Switch Account, then select View All Channels. From there, click Create New Channel and pick a username. If you're struggling to find the perfect name, turn to ChatGPT for inspiration. Ask for channel name ideas related to the Animal Stories channel. Use the prompt from Google Docs for the best results. Generate until you find one that resonates with you. Then enter it on YouTube to officially create your channel. Next, craft a compelling description for your channel. While you can write it yourself, ChatGPT can assist by generating an engaging, concise description that aligns with the animal animated stories. Now let's optimize your channel with effective tags. Tags are crucial for SEO as they help YouTube's algorithm understand your content and connect it with the right audience. For keyword research, I recommend using ChatGPT. Just use the prompt from Google Docs and change to your specific niche, and you will get the best tags for your niche. But remember, SEO optimization in 2025 is not what it used to be. You don't only need fancy tags. YouTube now watches your full transcript and knows exactly what's in your video. Also, another great thing to boost your SEO is when people, after watching one of your videos, click on your profile and watch another video. That is the thing that you want to achieve. For branding, you'll need a logo and banner. Keep the design simple and clear. If you need help, ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for your logo. ChatGPT Plus users can even generate logos directly, but tools like Ideogram are great alternatives. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Ideogram, set the aspect ratio to square, and click Generate. Choose the logo that best fits your brand. Moving on to the banner, ChatGPT can again assist with prompt creation. Paste the prompt into Ideogram, set the aspect ratio to landscape, and generate your banner. Select your favorite design and download it. Alternatively, you can customize a banner in Canva. Search for animal-themed YouTube banner. Choose a template, update the text with your channel name, and modify images as needed. With your branding and SEO in place, it's time to create content. Since I am creating a stories channel, I will simply ask ChatGPT to write me ideas for my animated stories. I have prepared prompts in the Google Doc to help you get started. Copy the prompt, change the text in the brackets to your specific niche, paste it into ChatGPT, and generate a list of well-structured video ideas. If none appeal to you, regenerate as needed. Once you select an idea, proceed to create a complete story and prompts for images that you will be using to create scenes. Just ask ChatGPT to write you a short story about your idea and to give you a prompt for each scene. Use the prompt that I am using to maximize your output. For image generation, consider your budget. If you have a paid plan with ChatGPT or Midjourney, utilize their services. For a free option, Leonardo AI is excellent. Visit Leonardo AI website, log in with Google, and paste your prompt. Explore advanced settings to test different models. For realistic images, Phoenix 1.0 is ideal. Choose an aspect ratio based on your video format, 9:16 for YouTube Shorts or 16:9 for landscape videos. Select the number of images to generate, then click Generate. Adjust prompts and regenerate images as needed. After generating all images, it's time to animate them. Klingai is a fantastic tool for this. Sign up to receive free credits. If free credits are not sufficient for your project, you can borrow your grandmother's email address and generate more. Upload your images, insert your prompts from ChatGPT to guide the animation, and set the duration for each clip. 5 seconds per scene is recommended. Adjust resolution settings, then click Generate. Review the animations and make minor tweaks if necessary. Download the final clips. We will get rid of the watermark during editing. For video editing, CapCut is the best option. It is free and very easy to use. Import your clips, trim as needed, and add smooth transitions from the Transitions tab. To remove the watermark, simply select the video, zoom in slightly, and adjust the position so the watermark is no longer visible. Customize the length and style to suit your content, ensuring a polished final product. Don't forget to add music and sound effects. That is the best thing to keep the retention on your video high. For that, I recommend using Epidemic Sounds. It has all the sound effects that you need, from keyboard sounds, mouse clicks, whoosh sounds for your transitions, animal sounds, and everything that you can think of, you can find all on this website. They have a 7 days free trial. Use a fade effect between music transitions to ensure smooth, high-quality audio. Additionally, incorporate visual effects to add depth and enhance the overall quality of your video. Notice the striking difference between videos with effects and filters and those without. Pack everything together, click export, and be sure to choose 60 FPS for the best quality. If you're enjoying this content so far, feel free to subscribe for more. Here is the final product that we made. Let's quickly summarize what we covered in this video. You've learned how to come up with engaging video ideas, craft detailed prompts for generating images, and bring them to life through animation. Additionally, we explored the basics of the YouTube algorithm and essential editing techniques in CapCut to enhance your content. With these skills, you're now equipped to create high-quality, engaging videos that stand out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like. Thanks for watching, and be sure to come back for more. Tell me in the comments what topic you want me to cover in the next video.